Welcome, guys. Today I will trade gold, GBP, USD, Euro USD, Euro JPY, USD JPY, AUD, and Euro GBP. First, I will check gold. Gold right now 2639. For our time frame, I will check in high time frame their proper scalp. Their 50 moving average adjust here. I will try one more moving average. Moving average 25. Today I will learn how to moving average to 25 and 50 will get profit from gold. This is moving average two lefts. 25 moving average is down. Okay, I will check in color, change the color. They are green. 25 is green. Moving average 25 is green save, and 50 is red save. Okay, I will check there. They're green and background also green, so change the another color. White is 25 is white and red is 50. Okay, now proper understand. White moving average is 25 or red moving average is 50. Right now trend is down gold. It will go to downtrend as like that, but a rejection here. Okay, I will use to trend line. Trend line is there, the touch of 50 moving average trend line. Then I will start one more trend line here. There, this one. Okay, this one, try to this select this one, but it will little bit down, but not down. Now get to up. This is a resistance line. There, this is resistance, and this is 2646. This is resistance right now 2639 through. There one more trend line is there. This side 2633. This is support line. It will rejection the support line. Market go to up. As like that. Gold is little bit up 2658. It will go up. Then how will check to? I'll trade place 0.51. One trade for buy. One trade buy. This is gold right now 20 40 USD minus. Okay, I will wait sometimes. It will go up. There support rejection here. Also trend line downtrend. There 50 moving average is red and 25 moving average 25. It both moving average overlaps and force to white 25 moving average cut in 50 moving average. The market is rejection to low support line. It will go to resistance 2646. Right now I'll give profit also. 17 USD right now profit from gold. This is profit running. It will go up as like that.